Hey guys, Eli here, and today I'm going to be doing a gold and silver unboxing, but not just any regular unboxing. Throughout the whole week, I spent about $5,000, and we're going to go into it. All right, so I spent about $800 just on constitutional dimes, some war nickels, some quarters, and some half dollars. Now, I'm pretty much bringing back my game show. This is where all my supporters of the channel, they all gather into one live stream, and they get these as prizes. Not just these, some pure silver as well. So definitely email me if you guys want to know when I'm going to be doing it, and also if you want to know what kind of prizes I'm going to be having on the day I'm doing so. So definitely email me and put support game show so I can know the purpose of the email. And if you want to donate and be a sponsor to the game show and get some more promotion for your channel, you guys can email me as well, or at the same time you can just send it to my PO box. It's down in the description below. But these are all the constitutional silver that I have. I also have some copper in there as well, some previous people that helped donate to the channel. But for $800, it really don't look like that much, but believe it or not, there's a lot of people that loves collecting constitutional silver. That's silver you can get close to spot if you know what you're doing. Now, I know I'm gonna get some flax in the comments about the war nickels saying, hey, I'm an idiot for buying the war nickels, but this is just an investment for the channel to keep the Urban Lifestyle YouTube channel going. And at the same time, the next item on the list is also an investment, and that is 1 kilo of silver shot, 49 fine silver. And this is pretty much for my pours. I love pouring silver, and I haven't poured any silver in the year 2020 yet, so I'm getting ready to ramp that up. But you guys can also check my website to see some of the pours I do have. But that's pretty much it as far as me buying silver as an investment. Now, these babies are going into my personal stack. Now, I did buy about 20 American Silver Eagle the year 2020 in one order, but to be honest with you, I've received so much this week. I think I got like about 30 right now, and I still have 5 more on the way. But these are all brand new, all BU, looks very beautiful. Right there, 2020. Tell me that's not beautiful. And I know, I don't have my gloves on, but that's just one coin. Well, I touched all of them, but I try not to touch them on the face though. But moving on from that, I also went to my local coin shop and I bought some not in good shape maple leafs. Yeah, so I do have some, and a lot of them are milk spot, but I only bought them for the silver content in them. Like if you look at them, they're not pretty much, they have fingerprints, they have milk spots and all of them, but I got them at a good deal at the coin shop, and I was like, all right, I gotta take it. And at the same coin shop, I got some Philharmonic. Now, you guys know these are my favorite coins to have. Not these, because they're milk spot, they're damaged as well, but hey, good price, I had to take them. Now, this right here, I don't too much do series, but I do have Marvel coins. I collect all the Marvel coins alongside with the Queen Bee series. Those are the only 2 series that I'm really interested in right now. Backed by the fact that Venom is one of my childhood favorite characters, I had to get it. Now, I did pay a little bit on the premium. I think this coin goes for, what, $28? So yeah, I did pay a little bit on the premium, but this one is just personal to me. Like, this is something I would never ever sell. All right, so I just wanted to collect this, and I have it alongside with all the other Marvel coins that came out. Now, some of you guys may be saying, Eli, you said $5,000. You showed us at least $2,000 at best. What else did you buy? Well, that's what we're going into now. And there we go, this American Golden Eagle right here. Now, I did get 2 gold, but we're going to get into that later. But this one right here, for some reason, I just love the design of the Golden Eagle, all right? And alongside with this Pabst Suisse and this assay, it looks real nice. And I think I got a good deal on them. I know I went and bought them when the prices went down last week. Now, the main reason I went and bought 2 ounces of gold, and I know the prices being so high, how can you afford it? I went bankrupt to get them. But anyways, the reason I got them is because I sold all my grams of gold, and I wanted to rebuild my position. Now, this is a little bit more gold than I had previously if you included the grams of gold, of course. But that's just me. I just wanted to rebuild my position so I can have a position in gold, and I saw a great opportunity when the prices went down like last week. And then that's when I placed the order and I did all those extra stuff. But that's pretty much all I got from you guys today. I want to know, did you guys get anything within the past week, or did you guys take advantage when the prices went down? Now they rebounded back up. But I just wanted to know, I'm actually thinking about placing another $10,000 order. I'm still debating on it. I'm thinking about it the way the economy is looking right now. I'm just like, hey, you know what? I just want to put some more money into some more safe haven material to protect my cash. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if this is your first time here. Leave a thumbs up. It's highly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.